Optimizing your organic social media content for Christmas can help you to capture the holiday spirit, engage your audience, and drive more organic reach and engagement. Here are some best practice tips to optimize your social media content to make sure your posts are getting seen by more people this Christmas season. Make sure you're creating and sharing content that celebrates the holiday season. This could include a behind-the-scenes glimpse of your team preparing for the holidays, any holiday recipes or DIY tips, gift guides, or recommendations for festive activities. Here's a great before and after transformation reel from the Methuen Arms. Incorporate festive visuals. So use holiday themed visuals such as your Christmas decorations, winter landscapes, or festive elements to make your social media content visually appealing and obviously aligned with the Christmas theme. You could also consider creating custom graphics, videos, or GIFs that reflect the holiday spirit, as well as photos. Provide valuable and entertaining content that resonates with your audience interest during this time of year. So, are there any special cocktails you want to promote for the winter season? Or could you showcase your festive menu by showing your chefs preparing that in the kitchen? Here's a great reel showcasing those winter temperatures. Remember to tailor your messaging, so adapt your messaging to reflect the Christmas season. Use holiday-related keywords in your caption, emojis, phrases, and hashtags that resonate with your target audience. Remember to infuse your captions and posts with a cheerful, warm, and festive tone. And if you can grab a little bit of sound happening in your pub to go alongside your posts, even better, like in this example from the Northey Arms. Research and use popular Christmas-themed hashtags in your posts. This can increase discoverability of your posts and ensure that your posts are reaching a broader audience who are interested in festive content. Examples include Christmas, Merry Christmas, Christmas cheer, or Christmas 2023. Or you could go for location-specific hashtags like Christmas in London. You can put these hashtags in your caption or in your comments of your post. Most people prefer to tuck them right at the end of their caption, like in these examples. Here are a few ideas on what hashtags you could use for your Christmas content. It's really easy to find hashtags if you just search on Instagram itself. So use that search bar on the mobile app or on desktop, and once you put in a hashtag, Instagram will suggest other ones or similar ones that you could also include, and it tells you how many posts appear on Instagram also with that hashtag. Remember not to go for any hashtags that are maybe too broad. You can see there Christmas party has over 5 million posts. So it would be pretty difficult to get seen if people were searching for that hashtag. Maybe keep it to around 10,000 to, let's say, 500,000 posts. Launch special Christmas campaigns and giveaways that align with the season. So things like competitions work incredibly well across the Christmas season in social media. Encourage user-generated content by asking your audience to share their experiences, memories, or photos using a specific hashtag, or just simply ask people to follow you and like this post in order to enter, like this example. This can help increase the engagement and also create a bit of a sense of community. If you're giving away things during the Christmas season, it just keeps things positive across your social media. So to recap, here are some best practice ways to ensure your Christmas content is a success. Remember to create and share festive related content. Incorporate those festive visuals in your photography and video. Film festive reels and remember to use Christmas audio alongside that. Tailor your messaging, so those words in your caption, and also use those Christmas hashtags. And plan a Christmas competition. So that could be a competition asking people to engage or one asking people to collect content and submit that.